Good morning, class. Good morning, Mr. Toby. Today we are doing reading. Reading? Is there a problem? No. So, anyways. So, I hope you did your homework from last week. So, Percy, you go first. Read. What? Tell me the title of the story. Off the line? No, tracks. Yeah. Off the tracks. Off the tracks. Read it. A new engine was coming to the island. No, was coming. So John. That's enough. Belko. Okay. Belko, you read it. What? I did my homework. Read the board. A new engine was coming. John was looking for her, but he couldn't find her. So he went to look to find her. John went down old tracks until he found her. She was off the tracks. Hello, what is your name? Erica, my name is John. So how did you end up here? I didn't pay attention to the tracks. Okay, but how do we get you out of here? I can help. I'm Mr. Tom. I was walking until I saw this. So, John, you will have to pull her out. Okay, sir. Soon they got her out. So Erica, how do you like your new home? I like it. The end. Perfect. Thank you. Now, Percy, you'll be staying after class for some reading. The rest of you. So, read the board. A new engine. Engine was coming.